guys, I'd like to present something to you which I got recently. This is a very nice, cool telescope for observing stars and the moon. Obviously it's for amateurs, so it's not a real deal. It's not a professional thing, but it's got a cell phone fixture, and I'm gonna take some pictures for you just to show you how it looks. I think I'm gonna go for the moon because it's the biggest and the easiest to observe, so please expect some nice footage in a minute. All right. So the set came with this nice tripod, and you can see a set of lenses, a smartphone fixture or a holder, and obviously everything was in the box. You had to set it up yourself. Well, what can I say? The price was really nice. So the price was like just over $50 for the whole thing. All right. Okay, guys, time for some sky observations. We have a crescent moon today. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Let me try to get this camera.